Luke 14:15-24. One of them was there at the table and hear what Jesus said to him, "The one way I go nyam a God table, a him bless." Jesus said, one man did a look about one big dinner and him tell enough smart if he come. When the time come for the dinner, him send him servant to tell all who invite say, "Come, everything ready now." All of them start make excuse. The first one say, "Me just buy a piece of land and me have to go book pan it. So, me I beg your pardon." Another one say, "Me just buy 10 cow and me I go check them out to see how them work. Me I beg your pardon." Another one say, "Me just married, so me can't come." The servant come back and tell him master what them say. Then the master for the house get vexed and say, "Me case go out a road and carry the poor, the cripple, the blind, and the lame people them come." The servant say, "Me do you order me for do sir, but room there for enough more people." The master tell him servant say, "Go out pan the highway and inna the countryside and make people come, so me house will full. Cause you see all of the people them when me they invite, not even one of them I go taste me food." A God word this. Thank God.